You've got this.
I want to show you the difference between coil folds and stretch and folds and when you would use one versus the other. So this is a stretch and fold. When you go down around the base, pick it up and fold it over. Stretch and fold all the way around the dough. This is a very, very common sourdough folding technique. But the other very common one is called a coil fold, and it's basically the same thing but upside down. So you'll pick it up around the center and let it fall and coil down, set it down on top of itself, turn and do the same thing, coil, fold. So what these are doing is it's building the gluten structure. The gluten bonds are going to create as it's fermenting. But what the coil and stretch and fold is doing is it's crisscrossing and it's building that shape and structure so you have better elasticity, the snap backedness factor for the bread rise and oven spring. When you would use one versus the other, if your dough is drier, you're going to use a stretch and fold more than likely. But if your dough is wetter, stretch and folds are harder to do. So the coil fold will work better for a wetter, higher hydration dough, but they will both accomplish the same purpose of stacking and crisscrossing those gluten bonds for the elasticity. You've got this.
You've got this.